Hi guys, today we compare Redmi K70 Ultra versus Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra launched on July 2024. The price is $700. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra launched on February 2024. The price is $1,199. The body dimensions of Redmi K70 Ultra is height 6.31 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 8.4 mm. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra height 6.35 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of Xiaomi 14 Ultra 223 gram and the Redmi K70 Ultra 211 gram. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra front and back glass and titanium frame and eco leather back to the Redmi K70 Ultra comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with LTP AMOLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.73 inches. The resolution is 2K screen and the PPI density is 522. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes with OLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with and the screen resolution is 1.5K. The PPI density is 446. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 89.6% screen to body ratio and the screen protection is Xiaomi Longjing glass or Xiaomi Shield glass. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 144Hz refresh rate with 89.0% screen to body ratio and the screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth are micro sensor with dual LED flash, dual tone HDR panorama and it's record 8K 24fps video. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 1 inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and TOF 3D depth sensor with Leica lens, dual LED flash, HDR panorama and 67mm filter ring holder optional. And it's record 8K 30fps video. The front selfie camera of Redmi K70 Ultra is 20 megapixel with 1080p 120fps video record. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record. The platform of these devices. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.25 GHz CPU and the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus 4nm and the GPU is Immortals G720. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the GPU is Adreno 750. The both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 12 GB, 16 GB, 24 GB of RAM, 256, 512 and 1 TB of ROM and no SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM, 256, 512 and 1 TB of ROM and no nano memory card and SD card support in this mobile. The battery backup. Xiaomi comes with 5000 mAh battery international and 5300 mAh battery China only and 90 watt fast wired charging and 80 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charging and reverse 10 watt wired charging. The commons and the features of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra. It's come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 dust and water resistant. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 water and dust resistant and two-way satellite system. The result of this device is the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra Go 21 point and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Go 23 point.